Move down there to make a hole. Sandrine, help her to dig ba? Today is cloudy, so the beach now is not same yesterday that too much people. But it's still a lot, but not same yesterday. Yeah. Ayan guys, nakakita ako ng crabs. So, happy-happy yung kulot ko kahit maliit yan. Sa kakaano ko sa sun. Pinasonak. Si the small crabs. She's sabi. Nakadig ko sa sun. So, nakadig ako ng crabs. Small crabs. Ang happy ng aking kulot. Ipakita daw niya sa daddy niya. No, enough.
No, because he's gonna die because the water goes.
What? What is water? Put the water. Use your hand. Oh, yeah, daddy one. Look. Take it. No.
No, you did.
Take it back.
Get him in. Get him in.
Yung dalawa na yung nakita. Pero patay yung maliit. Nakita ko. What is that? No, it's dying. Look, there's a lot of dying. Oh,
That one is like,
it's die. Ang daming patay, guys, na ano.
even this
Let's go. Yeah, it's died already. Move down there to make a hole. Sandrine, help her to dig ba? You are not coming already. You are black.
You find the water? Ask her if she find the water. You found the water? No? You have to dig hard. I'm falling down myself here. What one? Remove the hat. Take off your hat. Okay, come on. But you can't see your face. What do you want to do? Even more is you. Come on, take off your hat. Take the hat off. Okay, what's the one now? Yeah, come on, okay, tell me. You go and dig here, man. Find the water, more water.
It's coming, the water is already coming. Ayan guys, she's want to go back to the to the sea again. Ang layo na talaga ng narating ng tubig guys. Low tide. Parang kalahati niya sa dagat. Kasi nag-abot na niya sa dagat. Ano kasi yung ano ko? Trans. Nandun na yung bulot takbo. Malamig na siya guys kasi syempre cloudy nga today. Ano na 4 o'clock na. Kahapon nung umuwi kami dito ay 3 o'clock. So ngayon ay 4:20 na. Dito kami. Let's see how it goes. Ito na yung aking kulot. It's okay. Layo na talaga ng tubig. As in, naglobat rin na. Pero kaya pa ito. Sagit! Marami nga itong plastic guys, pero wala kami pang-dapat. Kasi paano siya ipatay. Wala kami. Sumarika. Dito sa mga buhangin na tubig. Ayan, natali ko na yung aking Sabi yun. Nakuha ko ba? Makita. Ngayon na talaga ng dagat. Malapit na lampas na yung tao sa yellow. Yung dalawa, naghalikan pa daw sa dagat ng kutsa. Para sawa ko siya. Yan, magsawa siya. Magsawa ka dyan sa kakaligo mag-isa kasi pagbalik natin wala nang dagat. Sabagay, mag-rest lang kami ng ng Monday ang uwi namin. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 4 days ang pahinga namin. Tapos Saturday ay naman kami, mag-holiday naman kami sa sa Edinburgh with friends. Yeah. What? Huh?
There's like 10 people.
Don't go there, the other side. Maybe it's a move. It's a move. It's dirty. So, mag-Edinburgh kami, Edinburgh ng aking mga friends. So, 3 kami, tapos 2 bata. Si Sandrine kasama, tsaka yung anak natin Paula, si Henry. So, 5 kami mag-plane kami sa Saturday. So, Edinburgh, tapos kami. Now, the school close. Before the school opening. Yeah, wait for daddy. He's there, waiting for his friend. Let's go. So, takot siya. Mag-sting ano daw yung sticky sa ano. Lumot yun, yung lumot ko sa dagat. Yung ano. Kasi may pangin eh. Kaya ang lumot dito, lumot na marumi. Lumot na parang yung lumot. That you step on the water. Come on. Yung green na lumot. So, takot na siyang bumalik sa tubig. Tayo daw yung daddy. Yeah, speaking out of that is the one in the that you step. Because that is a moth. Like this, you know, you see the green.
Look at this, Dad, Mommy.
Yeah. Yeah, look for the crabs as well.